You're tuned into Dynamic Advancement, the foremost authority for cyber workforce development. In today's video, I'll be covering how you could have a successful IT or cybersecurity career in the grocery industry. Let's dig in. So to get started, I'll just dig into this article here from San Antonio Business Journal. HEB named top e-commerce grocer, beating out Amazon. Let's dig in. All right, so just jumping into the article, right? San Antonio-based HEB LP is known for its fan base throughout Texas and the South. But a customer data science company across the pond is taking note of the grocer's quick adoption of online fast retailing throughout the pandemic years. A newly released consumer preference index indicates the privately held Texas grocery company was the number one e-commerce grocer in the country. Ooh. So in a near tie with Amazon, London-based global customer data science company dunnhumby named HEB, which began online curbside pickups in 2015, the most preferred online retailer in the grocer category based on customer satisfaction and migration to online spending. Ooh. So think about it. Who do you know that doesn't rely on groceries, right? So think about that one. Let that one marinate, right? Everybody needs groceries, right? And if you've ever ordered any groceries online, either for curbside pickup or maybe even delivery, you're part of the e-commerce ecosystem, and you're proof that even the grocery industry relies on data, baby. Oh yeah, what a time to be alive. Grocers like HEB are an option for people to have fruitful IT and cybersecurity careers. But don't take my word for it. Let's go to their website. So I'm over here on HEB Careers. And one thing I want to point out, they have a whole digital technology section for their career page, right? And I think that's a cute note. All we're missing is you. Y'all need to holler at them. But one thing that stood out to me is the way that they categorize their IT and cybersecurity roles, starting with mobile engineers, software engineers, systems developers, data solutions, security, techno-functional, infrastructure, and help desk. Now see, the help desk roles hold a special place in my heart because I'm always telling aspiring professionals, get in at the help desk, just get in, get your foot in. And then once you get in at the help desk, then you're on your pathway to start working your way back up. Get in at the help desk and then start growing yourself. Start shadowing the people in these other roles, infrastructure, techno-functional, security. That's really one of the best ways to get in and really start climbing up that food chain, if you will, right? To get to a more advanced position. That's really good. Another position that stands out to me is infrastructure and network engineering, because I started my career in networking, right? I bounced around the whole spectrum, but for me, it started in networking. I went to the help desk, and then I was able to taste the smorgasbord of all the different IT professions out there. I dibbled and dabbled in a little bit of everything. And the good thing is, an industry like the grocery industry affords those same opportunities as well. So definitely something to consider if you are kind of thinking about, okay, how do I get into the game? Think about the grocery industry. They have these positions for you, man. I always want to dispel the myth that you have to work for a tech company in order to have an IT career. Not true. What we just looked at just now, it showed how even HEB and other grocery stores that are leveraging e-commerce, the moment they started leveraging e-commerce, they stepped into the cyber game, baby. And that means you need that IT and cybersecurity support. So again, opportunities abound for anyone who's looking. So if you find yourself, running into challenges starting your IT career, again, look outside of the tech industry. Look at the grocery industry. This is yet another non-tech industry that I just showed you that you can leverage to start your IT career. And anyone who benefits from this information I'm sharing, cheers to your success.